There's a seldom used feature in our POS that I'm actually a big fan of: disclaimers. These can be used to convey useful information to the customer, such as a return process or operating instructions, and it's printed on the receipt right below the item that it's tied to. We've also seen stores use them recently to educate customers on things such as new taxes. An example of this is if the state enacts a new excise tax on a particular category. Naturally, the price your customer is paying increases because of this tax, so you can add a disclaimer letting the customer know that the price increase is because of that tax, not because of your greed. Disclaimers can also require acknowledgement, meaning that the disclaimer will appear on the screen and cannot be dismissed until the cashier acknowledges that the agreement has been read to the customer. So let's look at how we create those. In Control Center, we'll navigate to Point of Sale, Maintenance, and then Restrictions. From here, choose the Disclaimers tab. We'll add a new disclaimer, give it a name, and then the disclaimer text. Finally, we'll choose whether or not the disclaimer requires acknowledgement or not. Once saved, the disclaimer can then be set at the department level. Disclaimers can also live on individual items, which will override the department level setting. To settle on the department, navigate to Maintenance and Departments, choose the appropriate department, then the disclaimer from the drop-down list. That's today's Fast Tracks Fact. We hope this helps.